On the 14th of August, 1947, a dream was realized. A nation was born, a homeland for millions who longed for freedom, dignity, and identity. This is Pakistan's story, a story of resilience, sacrifice, and unity. Before independence, the people of the Indian subcontinent lived under colonial rule. The quest for freedom was led by visionary leaders who dreamed of a separate homeland for Muslims. Allama Iqbal envisioned it, and Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah made it a reality. Quaid-e-Azam's unwavering determination, leadership, and commitment led to the creation of Pakistan, a land where Muslims could practice their religion freely and live with dignity. The journey to independence was not without sacrifice. The Lahore Resolution of 1940 set the stage, but the road ahead was filled with trials. Millions migrated, leaving behind their homes and belongings in search of a new beginning. The creation of Pakistan came at a cost, but it also brought hope, a hope for a better future. These sacrifices are etched in the pages of history, reminding us of the price of freedom. 1. Historical significance. The roots of freedom. The 14th of August is not just a date, it is a symbol of struggle, perseverance, and unwavering faith. It marks the culmination of years of effort by the Muslims of the Indian subcontinent to carve out a separate homeland where they could live according to their cultural, religious, and social values. The Lahore Resolution. Passed on 23rd of March 1940, the Lahore Resolution was the formal political statement adopted by the All India Muslim League, calling for independent states for Muslims in the northwestern and eastern zones of India. This was the first step towards the creation of Pakistan. The role of leadership. The charismatic leadership of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah played a pivotal role in achieving independence. His vision, determination, and leadership transformed the idea of Pakistan into a reality, guiding millions towards freedom. 2. Sacrifices of independence. The human cost. The partition of 1947 was one of the largest and most traumatic mass migrations in history. Over 1 million people lost their lives and millions were displaced. The pain and suffering endured during this time is a testament to the heavy price paid for freedom. The stories of heroes. Numerous unsung heroes contributed to the struggle for independence. From political leaders to ordinary citizens, their sacrifices and contributions are an integral part of Pakistan's history. Remembering the martyrs. Independence Day is a time to honor the memory of those who laid down their lives for the freedom of the nation. Their sacrifices are a reminder that freedom is not free and must be cherished and protected. 3. Cultural and national identity. The essence of Pakistani culture. Pakistan's independence was not just about political freedom. It was about preserving a distinct cultural and religious identity. Pakistan's rich cultural heritage, including its languages, music, art, and traditions, is celebrated on this day. Unity and diversity. Pakistan is home to diverse ethnic groups, languages, and traditions. Despite these differences, the sense of unity and national pride is what binds the nation together. Independence Day is a celebration of this unity in diversity. Symbols of national pride. The national flag, the anthem, and national monuments like Minar-e-Pakistan and Quaid-e-Azam's mausoleum are powerful symbols of the country's pride and identity. They represent the struggles of the past and the hopes for the future. 4. Reflections on progress and challenges. Achievements. Since independence. Since 1947, Pakistan has made significant progress in various fields, including agriculture, science, technology, sports, and education. Independence Day is a time to reflect on these achievements and acknowledge the hard work that has gone into nation building. Ongoing challenges. Despite its progress, Pakistan faces several challenges, including economic issues, social inequality, and regional instability. Independence Day is also a moment to renew the commitment to addressing these challenges and working towards a better future. The role of the youth. The youth of Pakistan are the torchbearers of the nation's future. Their energy, creativity, and innovation are crucial for the country's development. On Independence Day, young Pakistanis are encouraged to take pride in their heritage and contribute positively to their country's growth. 5. Patriotic celebrations. National flag. Hoisting. Across the country, the national flag is hoisted at government buildings, schools, and homes. The flag symbolizes the nation's independence and sovereignty. Parades and ceremonies. Military and civilian parades, along with cultural performances, are held in major cities, particularly in the capital, Islamabad. These events showcase the nation's strength, unity, and cultural heritage. Cultural programs. Music, poetry recitals, and art exhibitions are organized to celebrate the cultural richness of Pakistan. Patriotic songs, especially those dedicated to the nation's heroes, are sung with enthusiasm. Community and family gatherings. Independence Day is also a time for families and communities to come together. It's a day of joy and pride, where people exchange greetings, share traditional foods, and participate in various activities. 6. Messages of hope and unity. Quaid's vision. On Independence Day, the words of Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah resonate across the nation. Unity, faith, and discipline. These guiding principles remain as relevant today as they were at the time of independence. A call for unity. The 14th of August serves as a reminder that the strength of Pakistan lies in its unity. Despite challenges and differences, the nation must come together to uphold the values of justice, equality, and freedom. A vision for the future. As Pakistan celebrates another year of independence, it's also a time to look forward. The vision for the future includes a prosperous, peaceful, and inclusive Pakistan, where every citizen has the opportunity to thrive. 7. Conclusion. A day of reflection and celebration. Independence Day is both a celebration of freedom and a time to reflect on the journey that Pakistan has undertaken. It's a day to honor the past, celebrate the present, and look forward to the future with hope and determination. Pakistan Zindabad. The spirit of patriotism is alive in every heart, and the words Pakistan Zindabad echo across the land. Long live Pakistan, a nation that stands tall with pride and honor. 8. Inspirational quotes for Independence Day. Quaid-e-Azam Muhammad Ali Jinnah. With faith, discipline, and selfless devotion to duty, there is nothing worthwhile that you cannot achieve. Allama Iqbal. Nations are born in the hearts of poets. They prosper and die in the hands of politicians. Liaquat Ali Khan. The state of Pakistan is neither theocratic nor secular. It is an Islamic state based on democracy. Every year, on the 14th of August, Pakistanis come together to celebrate this monumental day. From Karachi to Khyber, the spirit of patriotism fills the air. The green and white flag flutters proudly, a symbol of our independence and our identity. It's a day to remember our history, honor our heroes, and renew our commitment to building a prosperous Pakistan. Today, Pakistan stands tall as a nation. Despite challenges, we continue to strive for progress, innovation, and peace. Our youth are the torchbearers of this vision, taking Pakistan to new heights in science, technology, arts, and sports. The future of Pakistan is in the hands of its people. United, we can overcome any obstacle, and together, we can create a brighter tomorrow. As the sun sets on another Independence Day, let us pledge to uphold the values that Pakistan was founded upon. Let us work towards a nation that is peaceful, prosperous, and just. Happy Independence Day, Pakistan. This video is dedicated to the brave men and women who made the ultimate sacrifice for our freedom. May we honor their legacy by building a stronger, united Pakistan.